Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the code and laying out fixture order. This is critical because wet venting relies on flow direction. Tie the lavatory into the vertical stack upstream of the toilet so wash water helps ventilate. Use 2 for the shared stack where required, and drop the lav trap arm to meet the stack without creating low spots. Once done, make sure slope is 1/4 per foot toward the stack. This prevents standing water and keeps the venting effective. Now connect the toilet trap arm into the same wet vent stack, keeping the arm as short as allowed and sloped correctly. This maintains trap seal pressures. Route the shower or tub drain downstream or on a dedicated vent if distance makes it required, because overloaded downstream loads can siphon traps. Use long-turn fittings to reduce turbulence and preserve airflow. Sharp offsets can create vacuum. Make sure all connections are accessible for finish by pressure or water testing the system. Run multiple fixtures simultaneously to simulate worst-case flow. You want to observe no trap siphoning and no persistent gurgling. If you hear noise, the venting is marginal. Check every joint for leakage and correct slope again. Repair any undersized sections. If problems persist, add a dedicated vent or increase the stack diameter, because wet venting fails most often from undersized piping or improper fixture order. Finally, document changes for inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.